When the feature is turned on, it looks like at the spelling and show a list of pre-direction above the cursor that you can easily select with the mouse or arrows key. To disable the text suggestions when typing, use this step. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to disable text suggestions on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on time and language. Click the typing tab. Turn off the show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. Toggle switch to disable suggestions. Turn off the multilingual text suggestions. Toggle switch to disable suggestions for other languages. After you complete the step, Windows 11 no longer suggestions word redirections as you type on an app or other web. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.